What's going on, you guys? It is Vapetech Unboxed, and I am back once again with another case video. And in today's case video, we're going to be taking a look at the UAG Monarch case for the Google Pixel 3. Bam! And there it is. But before we begin the video, I do want to say I hope you're all having a fantastic day or night wherever you are, and I love you guys, but you already know that. Now let's jump into the video. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Also hit that like button if you enjoy my content. I would truly appreciate it. If you guys want to pick up the UAG Monarch for yourself, it is going to run you $59.95. It comes in black and it also comes in red, and you can check this case out with the first link in the description. Alright, now big shout out to UAG for setting this out so that way I can show you guys, because guess what? This is my favorite case. This is literally one of my favorite cases. I use it on my iPhone XS Max. This one's sick. Now I have the red one for my Max. This one, I really like this one. This one has top grain leather. It is drop tested 2 times at military standards. This one's premium protection Monarch series Google Pixel 3. It is a $60 case, but it's worth the money. If you're gonna only buy one case and one case for the whole lifespan of your phone, this is the case you wanna pick up, just because it's going to last you a long time. Through drops, you can run it over. It's gonna last you a long time. Now this one comes with a 10-year warranty. 10 years. I don't know anybody who keeps a phone for 10 years, but 10-year warranty. That is nice. This one has premium materials, 5 layers of protection, and an armor frame. Built to go further. Alright. The Monarch series cases come in a very nice packaged box. I totally dig their packaging. Now you get impact resistant, feather light, easy access, traction grip, screen surround, and glare free flash. Okay, let's go ahead and get it open. This one is the leather version. Nothing else in the box. Get that out of here. And check it out. This one has that leather right in here. This one's just all around so clean. It's all blacked out. You got your screws on the corners here, UAG company branding, all in black. Your leather, your honeycomb padding on each side for grip, and you also get your honeycomb padding on the inside for drop protection. Let's put the phone in there. These phones, these cases hug the phone like a glove. It's extra tight on here. You can see there's a little bit of wiggle room where the buttons are, but other than that, it fits really nice. Now the Monarch series cases are the thicker cases of the UAG lineup. They do have a nice bulky thickness to it, but it is very rugged and it offers a lot more protection than the others. You get nice big chunky corners around all your corners. You can see there. Your fingerprint sensor has its own little cutout, and it's easy to get to. And then you get a nice chunky cutout around your camera and flash. But the front screen protection on this case is incredible. Look at the bezels around that front screen. I always recommend pairing your cases up with a screen protector, but look at those bezels. That's going to help you of any front drops, or if you just like to keep your phone flat faced on the screen side on a table, you don't have to worry about scratching it up. You got all around protection. You got your cutout for your USB-C on the bottom. This case is just really clean, really protective. Although it is a thicker case, you have a nice grip to your phone. It fits in my hand very nicely. As you can see here, fits really nice in my hands. Buttons have a nice texture to them, and they're easy to find, very clicky, very responsive. That goes for all your buttons. Everything is really clicky, really responsive. And you already know we gotta try out wireless charging. So let's go ahead and turn on the phone, and boom, there you have it. Wireless charging for the UAG Monarch works. Let's try that again. Boom. So even though the case is thick, wireless charging definitely works. And it's charging up right now. Boom. That's the Monarch series. Literally one of my favorite style cases. I like that they have the screws on the corners there. Looks really clean. But that leather though, that leather, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. This is for somebody who enjoys cases, because if you don't like cases, this one's not for you. This one is very rugged looking, very protective. So if you don't like cases, you know, this definitely isn't the one. But if you enjoy cases and you want that rugged style look, which I do appreciate and I do like, I like the rugged look of cases, then this is it. Look at how clean. And then it has a little bit of class to it with the leather. You have some rugged classiness to this case that I really like. Anywho, that is the Monarch series, a $60 case, but will last you forever. Literally forever. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about this case down below in the comments. And also, if you guys have any case suggestions or cases you want to see me pick up before you buy for the Google Pixel 3, make sure you drop that down below. Also, big shout out to UAG. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel, and I appreciate all of you true MVPs who support this channel and also who support my other channels, because I do have more, and follow me on my socials. If you guys want to join them and you want to follow me at those places, all of those links are going to be down below in the description, so make sure you check out the description when you're done with the video. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Hit the like button if you enjoy my content, and I am out. I'm done talking. I love each and every single one of you guys. Y'all better stay freaking dope, and I will catch you in my next video.